Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Friday morning and I just figured I would film a weekend in my life for you guys, kind of like of a college student, of a mom, just showing you guys what I do when I don't have class, how I study on the weekends. I actually have a test on Monday, so it's going to be a really interesting study weekend, but yeah, just stay tuned. So now it's like 5:15ish. I actually babysitted my sister's kids for a little bit and she just left. So Baylee took a really long nap today, which was really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's went on. So it should be here soon. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? So it's finally clean. And yeah, Baylee's just chilling on her phone. Well, my phone. So this is clean, that's clean, this is clean, it's all clean, you guys.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do.
We're at Target.
Leave me back there.
I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. You're coming in clutch. Thank you.
What is that pink thing? What is that?
It's a pink drink.
Pink?
Yeah. Yes, such a good day. Oh, not for them. Do y'all have Mountain Dew? Okay. What about Coke? Okay. What happened? Oh my gosh. Let me see. So she squeezed this all over her. Great day, great way to start the day.
What?
I need new flavor, reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, baby, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a love for someone I appreciate.
You sleepy? Are you sleepy? She's so sleepy. It is Sunday evening. We just got home not too long ago. We went to the park for a picnic. Well, Baylee played on the splash pad. I have some footage of that. I think I've already put it in here. And then we're going to a little birthday party right now at my Nana's, and then after that we're coming back and studying for my test tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. Yum! Is that yummy?
bed.
Oh, really? Look good.
You want one, Vivian? You want milk, Matt?
What you doing? Huh?
Homework.
What kind of homework? Huh?
Counting.
Anatomy test tomorrow. And writing notes of my terms and everything like that. Also have a ton of notes on paper. Take a ton, and I mean a ton of notes in this class. Like so many. Well, some pages aren't as full because I like to leave room to go back and fill stuff in because the lecture is so fast. So yeah, that's basically what I do, take notes. So basically I take a ton of notes during the lecture, and then I go back and I highlight things, and then before my test I am writing out my study guide pretty much, and also reading the chapters like in the book, going over the terms, looking at all of the like diagrams, stuff like that. Also made a new screensaver for my phone. I actually made the same one for my laptop, but I haven't put it on there yet. Just thought it was really cute. There we go, now you can see it. It's like for fall. Oh my gosh. It's like for fall, and it's so cute. So I need to write in my planner tonight and plan out my week for this week. Currently 8:36 p.m. I still have a long night of studying ahead. Right? So this is kind of my notes so far, just like some terms I need to know. I've just done the first chapter, well, almost the first chapter, and now I'm doing the second chapter and then the third chapter. So yeah. We got slushies. What do we get?
I think
Chelsea ain't even paying attention.
their milkshake systems.
I got cherry limeade.
Their milkshake systems were down.